Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is pumpkin cultivation. The scientific name of pumpkin is Cucurbita maxima, and it belongs to family Cucurbitaceae, and it is called kaddu in Hindi. Introduction of pumpkin. Pumpkin is a popular vegetable rainy season crop in India. The pumpkin belongs to Cucurbitaceae family and is grown extensively during Kharif season, that is monsoon and summer season throughout India, for immature and tender fruits. India is the second largest country producing pumpkin in the world after China. Pumpkin fruits are consumed in daily cooking and also used in sweet preparation. The fruit juice, young stems, flowers, and leaves have many medicinal properties. Commercial varieties of pumpkin are Arka Shurmukhi, Ambili, Arka Chandan, Sharash, Suvarna, Suraj. Students are advised to read the special characteristics of the above varieties from the textbooks. Climatic conditions for pumpkin. Pumpkins needs main temperature of 18 degrees centigrade at early stage of its growth and development. Ideal temperature range is 25 to 28 degrees centigrade for its cultivation. It adapts wide range of rainfall conditions and it also tolerates low temperatures. Suitable season for pumpkin. Pumpkin can be grown during time period of January to March and September to December. Sowing can also be started after the first few showers during May to June for the rain-fed crop. Suitable soil. It thrives well in wide variety of soils, but sandy loam soil with good organic matter is best suited. Soil with good drainage and the pH range of 6 to 7 is ideal for pumpkin cultivation. The field should be leveled in fine tilth, well drained, fertile, can make adding organic compost or farmyard manure. The selected main field should also have an assured water source for irrigation purpose. Seed rate. Seed rate in pumpkin farming is 1 to 1.5 kg for 1 hectare. Dig pits of 60 cm diameter and 30 to 45 cm depth and maintain a spacing of 4.5 meter into 2 meter. Well rotten a farmyard manure and fertilizers should be mixed with topsoil in the pit. Sowing time 4 or 5 seeds are to be sown per pit. Destroy any unhealthy or damaged plants after 2 weeks and retain 3 plants per pit. Irrigation. The irrigation should be given in open field as per the requirement of the plants. During the initial stages of pumpkin plant growth, irrigate at an interval of 3 to 4 days. Irrigating on alternate days during flowering and fruiting will return in high quality fruits. Weed control in pumpkin. Raking of the soil at the time of fertilizer application and conducting 2 to 3 hand weeding are required to keep weed free. Earthing up should be done during monsoon, that is in rainy season. Manures and fertilizers in pumpkin farming. Apply farmyard manure FYM at 20 to 25 ton per hectare as basal dose, along with half dose of 35 kg of nitrogen and full dose of 25 kg of P2O5 and K2O, that is 25 kg per hectare. The remaining doses of 35 kg of nitrogen should be applied in 2 split equal doses at the time of plantation and at the time of full blooming. Pests and diseases. Epilacna beetle, fruit flies and red pumpkin beetle are main pests in pumpkin plantation. They can be controlled as in case of bitter gourd, powdery mildew, downy mildew and mosaic are main diseases in pumpkin farming. Harvesting and yield. Pumpkins will be ready for harvesting when the stem connecting the fruit to vine begin to shrivel. Can harvest the fruits when they are in deep solid color and the rind is hard. Destroy any unhealthy fruit from the vine. Use sharp knife for harvesting with care. Yield mainly depends on plant management and the variety of fruit. And average yield of pumpkin can be expected up to 30 tons per hectare. Thank you for patience hearing.